everyone, welcome to SST College of Arts and Commerce. This is SST Edupedia. Myself Pratnya Otekar. In this video, we study matrices, which is the topic of linear algebra, SYBSc Computer Science subject. First we see outlines of this video, definition of matrices, then we study the types of matrices, then what is the uses of matrix. Fourth one is how to find the trace of matrix. Next one, how to find the transpose of a matrix. Then find the determinant of a matrix. And last one is find the inverse of a matrix. First we see what is the definition of matrix or what is the matrices. Matrices are the rectangular arrangement of expression, number and symbol which are arranged in rows and column. That is, in general formula, A is equal to A11, A12 up to A1n. Next row is A21, A22 up to A2n. Last one we get AK1, AK2 up to AKn, which is equal to Aij, where I is denoted by number of rows and J is denoted by number of column. Next one, types of matrices. First type of matrix is row matrix. Row matrix means it has only one row. Column matrix means it has only a one column. Square matrix means the same number of rows and the same number of column. Zero matrix means contains all zero. Identity matrix means one going down the main diagonal and zeros everywhere, means all elements are zero except the diagonal elements. This is called the identity matrix. Next one we see equality of matrices. Equality of two matrix. Two matrices A and B are said to be equal if and only if first condition A and B are of the same order, though matrix of order are same, and second condition all the elements of A are equal as that of the corresponding elements of B. Then we say that two matrix, that is A matrix and B matrix, are equal. That is, suppose two matrices A is equal to Aij and B is equal to Bij of the same order, M is equal to N, are said to be equal if Aij is equal to Bij matrix. For example, A is equal to first row is 1, 2 and second row is 3 and 4. X is equal to 1, Y is equal to 2 and Z is equal to 3 and last element W is equal to 4. If A and B are equal, then we say that X is 1, Y is 2, Z is 3 and W is equal to 4. Next one we see what is the uses of matrix. First use of the matrix is graph theory. In graph theory, we use the matrices to find the graph plotting. Next one, analysis and geometry. Third one, symmetries and transformation in physics. In physics subject, we see the symmetries of a matrix and how to find the transformation. These two types we use the matrices. And last one is in electronics. In real life electronics, we use the matrix. Next one we see how to find the trace of a matrix. In a square matrix A, the sum of all the diagonal element is called the trace of A. It is denoted by TRA. For example, if A is equal to first row is 1, 2, 3, second is 0, 4, 5 and last row is 7, 6, 1, then trace of a matrix is sum of all the diagonal element, that is 1 plus 4 plus 1, that is which is equal to 6. Next one we see how to find transpose of a matrix. Transpose of a matrix means interchanging the rows and column of a matrix, means row is interchanged to column and column is interchanged to row, is called the transpose of A and it is denoted by A raised to T. For example, first row is 1, 2, 3. When we transpose that matrix, 1 2 3 row is converted into the column, we get 1 2 3 in column wise. Second row is 4 5 6, it is converted in column, it is 4 5 and 6. Next row is 7 8 9 and it is converted in column wise 7 8 9. And last one is 10 11 and 12, it is converted in the column. Next we see the determinant of a matrix. How to find the determinant of a matrix? First we see its denotation. Determinant of a matrix is denoted by mod of A, that is two vertical lines in bracket A, which is equal to determinant of A11, A12, second row is A21, A22, which is equal to cross multiplication, we get A11, A22 minus A21 into A12. This is the determinant of a matrix. Using this formula, we find the 2 cross 2 matrix determinant. For example, determinant of order 2, easy to remember, of order 2 only, that is use the cross multiplication A11 into A22 minus A12 into A21. Example, evaluate the determinant 1 2 3 4 matrix of order 2, we get 1 multiplied by 4 minus 2 multiplied by 3, that is 1 multiplied by 4 is 4 minus 6, we get minus 2 answer. That is determinant of that example is minus 2. Formula to find the inverse of a matrix, but first see what is the inverse, which can be found only for square and non-singular matrix. Square means it is M is equal to N, number of rows is equal to the number of column, and next condition is non-singular matrix. Non-singular matrix means determinant is not equal to 0. If these two conditions are satisfied, then we find the inverse of a matrix. If matrix is singular, then we don't find the inverse of a matrix. That is, formula to find the inverse of a matrix is 1 upon determinant of A divided by adjoint of A, that is A into A inverse is equal to A inverse into A, which is equal to I, and formula is A inverse is equal to 1 upon determinant of A into adjoint of A. Calculation of inversion using the determinants. Find the inverse of a matrix A is equal to 2 4 5 0 3 0 and 1 0 1. Then matrix C11 is equal to, first find the adjoint of A, that is C11 is equal to, eliminate the first row and first column, we get 3 0 0 1 and its determinant is 3. Similarly, to find the C12, that is eliminate the first row and second column, we get 0 0 1 1 but determinant is 0. Similarly, C13 determinant is minus 3, C21 determinant is minus 4 up to C33. C33 means eliminating the third row and third column, that is element is 2403. If you find the determinant, we get 6. To find the inverse of A, that is first find the determinant. Determinant is minus 9 and adjoint of A is 3 minus 4 minus 15, 0 minus 3 0 and last row is minus 3 4 6. Put this value in the formula, we get minus 1 upon the determinant is 9 into its adjoint of a matrix. Adjoint of a matrix is 3 minus 4 minus 15, 0 minus 3 0 and last row is minus 3 4 6. Take as it is. All if you find the in fraction form, then it's okay, because A inverse fraction and as it is formula. Then next video we see the how to find the determinant using the matrix interpolation formula. Thank you. If you have any doubt, write in comment box.